Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you're on an administrator account so changes take effect. Open Services and find NVIDIA Display Container LS. Set Startup to Automatic and hit Restart. Next, open Task Manager, end any NVIDIA Control Panel or related processes, then restart the service you just configured. These actions restore the control layer that talks to Windows. Once done, try launching the NVIDIA Control Panel. If it still denies access, move on to driver and installation fixes. Next, focus on the drivers because corrupted installs often cause access denied. Open Device Manager, uninstall the display adapter driver, then download the latest from NVIDIA site. Choose a custom installation and check Clean Install so old settings are removed. If problems persist, boot to safe mode and run Display Driver Uninstaller for a full wipe, then reinstall the driver. Make sure Windows Update hasn't reinstalled a mismatched driver. Once the clean driver is in place, relaunch the control panel to verify access. Finally, make a couple of finishing moves. Right-click the NVIDIA Control Panel executable or shortcut and run as administrator. If that fixes it, adjust shortcut properties to always run elevated. Verify NTFS permissions on C/program files /NVIDIA Corporation so your account can access config files, and reinstall GeForce Experience if used. As a troubleshooting tip, run sfc/scano to repair system files, and if all else fails, create a temporary local administrator account to isolate profile or permission issues before restoring settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.